Hello fellow singers, Collena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today I want to talk to you about something that is close to all of our hearts, which is embracing our unique voices and allowing them to shine through our music. Now, each and every one of us possesses a gift that is entirely our own, and it's important that we celebrate and embrace it, which can be hard to do in a world that often encourages comparison and conformity. You know, it can be easy for us to feel discouraged and doubt our abilities, and I've struggled with this myself, but let me remind you that your voice is a remarkable instrument capable of conveying emotions and touching hearts in ways that words alone cannot. Now, it carries the essence of your soul, your voice. It makes you one of a kind. It's what makes it truly one of a kind. So today I challenge all of us, even myself, to believe in our voices. Let go of any self-doubt or insecurities that may have held us back. Embrace the beauty of our individuality and the immense power it holds. We're not meant to sound like anybody else. We're not meant to be like anybody else. We're not meant to sound like anybody else but ourselves. So I want to encourage you, each and every one of you, also including myself, to reflect on what makes your voice special and unique. What sets you apart from others? Is it the tone? Is it the texture? Is it the emotions that you effortlessly convey? Take pride in those aspects, for they are what makes your voice so special, unique, and captivating. Now, I just want you to today make sure that you're singing with authenticity, confidence, and joy, and just really embracing the power of your voice. Let it resonate with passion. Be proud of who you are as a singer. Celebrate the beautiful uniqueness that sets you apart from everyone else. What sets you apart? You got to celebrate that, But yeah, let us support each other and uplift each other. And today I just wanted to just share, these encouraging words with you. And yeah, I'm just wishing you to have an amazing week, and I will see you again soon. That's pretty much it from me. That's all I have to say. Peace out.